2002 Dodge Ram 1500, 5.7 liter Hemi. Got factory convertors there. Just one. Okay. I don't know if it's got a Hemi then. Then we put on a MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK right there. Then we added a Y pipe and 2 1/4 tailpipes all the way back there and there into 4-inch roll tips. You know, duals, and more duals. This is the pipe we cut off and the muffler we cut off right there. The rusted ones. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. It's got MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK. We'll give you a link to in the description for it. Much better. I like it. MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK. Sound decibels, go ahead. Again. 102. Want to back it out? Oh, that's deep. I like it. That's why we do that setup on the MAGNAPACK. Just gives it a really nice deep tone. MAGNAPACK with white. What do you think? I'm sorry guys, I had a 5.9 in it. 2002, the last year with a 5.9 liter V8. That's why it sounds so deep. I think that's the perfect setup. If you guys want a really deep sound without a lot of raspiness, do that MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK into a Y pipe dual system with 4-inch tips. And you want it even deeper, you can go like 5-inch. So I'll let you guys know that.